One thing about me, I'm all about self-care and nails, lots of nails. Welcome to my channel. This is Kiki Pretty Life 23. Hey everyone, this is Kiki. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell for more updates on my content that I post here on my channel. And for all my returning subscribers, I just want to say I appreciate y'all for coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate y'all, along with my new subscribers as well. Y'all are also noticed, so thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So right now what I'm doing is a Valentine's Day set, because even though Valentine's Day ain't coming for another month, you know how fast months go by, so I want to make sure I get these sets done ahead of time. I'm gonna do probably around maybe 2 or 3 Valentine's Day sets that I'm gonna post on my Etsy shop. I do have a link down below my video for all my acrylic press-ons that I did on this channel. It's gonna be right below that link there. You just click that link, and yeah, from there you can see all my nail sets that I have done, along with prepping kits. I sell cuticle oils, all that type of stuff. Okay, so for this set, each and every nail is going to have a different design, so I'm not going to go too much detail about what I'm doing, but as you can see, like right here, I'm doing 2 of the nails in 2 different pinks. So it's going to be a light pink and a dark pink, and I'm doing a crocodile design. So what I put on there first was the blooming gel, and then I did each and every line and let them bloom, and then I cured them under the lamp. And from there I'm going to do an ombre design on those, and then for all the other nails I might just do like a solid nude, and then from there I'm going to put rhinestones and all that crazy stuff on there. I also got some rhinestones from Temu, so I'm also going to be putting those on my nails as well, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, so I'm just going to show y'all the whole process of how I do the background design for the nails. So I'm just going to be quiet here and just let y'all enjoy the view, and then I will be back to, show y'all how I put the rhinestones on. Alright, so all the acrylic is applied. So now I'm just going to go ahead and file them, shape them up, and buff them up real good. And then I'm going to go ahead and get to the design and all the rhinestones. Okay, so for this design here, so I did a non-white top coat first and cured that before I put the lips on. So I'm doing kind of like some lippies on there, about maybe 4. And I'm using the dark pink polish that I used for all the other nails, and I'm also going to do some light pink, and I'm kind of doing that sugar design that I was talking about earlier. So what you do is first you draw your design on the nails, and then afterwards you take some clear acrylic powder and you dump it right on top of the design, and it kind of like the polish absorbs the powder. And then what you want to do is put it under the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then you dust off the rest of that acrylic powder that's on the top, and it kind of leaves it nice and matte. Now the reason why it's important to put a non-white top coat before you do this is because you don't want the powder to stick onto the back of the nail. Unless you want to keep it matte, then you don't have to do this part. You could just use a matte top coat instead of the non-white top coat, but I wanted to leave the background shiny, so that's why I did it the way I did it. So now I'm going to be applying the rhinestones. So these are the rhinestones that I got from Temu. So these are kind of like the bigger rhinestones. They're a little bit more on the chunky side. I'm going to be using that bright pink square looking rhinestones just at the last one that I had opened up, the very first one actually. So I'm going to take some resin glue from Me a Secret. Now I love using resin glue for big rhinestones because it actually has a really nice hold. It's actually like almost close to like cement. So what you do is that you apply your rhinestone glue first, and it looks a little thick because I had it for a very long time. I think I had it for about a few months now, so it kind of got a little thicker over time, but it's totally fine. It still works really good. So I just took the big rhinestone, so this is the one that I'm using, and I just applied it in the middle, and then I took the spray bottle that I had on the side there and sprayed it so that way it'll harden up the resin. And now I'm just taking some poly gel, some soft gel, and I'm going to apply that around the rhinestone, because this is where I'm going to apply the little bitty rhinestones on, and some gold beads and stuff like that. So I put them around there, and then I took some non-white top coat and did a layer on top of that. And now I'm just going to take really small rhinestones. I have some like really clear pearl looking rhinestones, and then I have some regular rhinestones I'm going to add on there, and I'm also going to add some rose gold beads on top of that. So I'm just going to layer them right on top of each other, kind of creating like a horizontal sway look. So that's pretty much what I'm going for on these nails here. So for the other nails with the crocodile design, I decided to just do some cuticle rhinestones. So I just applied the poly gel just the same way I did with the other nail, except I'm just applying it right at the cuticle, and then I'm going to take some non-white top coat as well and cover the entire nail with that before I apply the rhinestones. And for anybody that asks why do I apply non-white top coat on top of the poly gel, is because it just saves me one more step at the end, so I don't have to worry about applying the top coat around the rhinestones, because sometimes the top coat could get on top of the rhinestones and it can make it look bubbly and kind of too smooth, and we really want the shine of the rhinestones to really show. So I try to apply the least amount of possible, and this just really helps me not having to do any wiping at the end or having to clean each and every rhinestone that's on there to make it nice and shiny. So that's why I do that. But yeah, so I'm just taking some regular A&B crystal rhinestones, which is just like an iridescent look, and I'm gonna apply some rose gold as well around those and kind of just make it look fancy, you know. I also apologize if it looks like I'm out of frame just a little bit. This was the only clip I was able to get because I didn't have enough time to record another clip. So you kind of see like almost at the bottom corner of me applying the rhinestone. So I do apologize ahead of time if you're not able to clearly see that. And then just to mention for the last nail, this is the pinky, but I end up doing the same design like I did on the thumb, except doing the lips, I actually end up doing the hearts instead. So I used the same polish, the dark pink and the light pink, and I just drew that design on top, and then I did the acrylic powder on top of those as well. I also end up adding some extra stuff on the thumbs because I feel like the lips itself was cool, but I wanted to add some XO signs to there as well. So you will see at the end of the video that I did end up adding those. Okay, so this is the finished look of my nails, and this is how they turned out, and they turned out so freaking beautiful. I absolutely love the pink thing going on. You just can never get tired of pink. And the Temu rhinestones, the rhinestones that I got from Temu are just so beautiful. I cannot wait to do more sets with them. I just absolutely love the rhinestone placements on these nails, and they're definitely fancy, I could tell you that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and like this video if you love it and you love everything that you see here. And keep in mind, this set will be available on my Etsy shop by tomorrow. So if you want to check out my Etsy shop, the link will be down below in my bio underneath my video. If you want to check out all the acrylic sets that I have made here on this channel, and if you are planning on ordering the set, I do need number measurements. So if you don't know your measurements, I do sell sizing kits as well for $3.50 each. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see y'all next time. I just want to appreciate everyone for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be below my video. And also hit that notification bell for more updates on my content. Along with that, you can follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates on my other content that I post outside of here. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Goodbye.